wasting much time, I'll dive straight into today's episode. Today I will be teaching you guys how to make your own sunburn cream at home. This is a very sharp whitening, sharp sunburn remover cream. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, it's your girl again, Luminous Skincare. If you're seeing this for the first time, hi, I'm Luminous. On this channel I film about skincare, product reviews, supplement reviews, DIYs, everything DIY. So if this is the kind of content you like to know about, then you definitely want to subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified each time I drop a new video. So without wasting much time today, let me dive straight to the point. Yeah, today I want to teach you guys how to make your own sunburn cream. Do you have sunburn? Without wasting much time, I'll dive straight into today's episode. Today I will be teaching you guys how to make your own sunburn cream at home. This is a very sharp whitening, sharp sunburn remover cream, and this product is very sharp whitening product. So what you'll be needing for this sunburn sharp removal cream is number one, your Carotone spot corrector cream. Yeah, this will serve as your base. This is your base cream. This is the Carotone I'm talking about. This is the base cream you're going to use to make this sunburn cream. The next thing you need is your natural tube cream. The thing is, you need a very sharp, very effective whitening product to get rid of your sunburn. Yes, you don't want to use this product in the morning. Make sure to always use it at night. So one is you need your Carotone spots corrector cream. Number two, you need your natural tube cream. In place of natural tube cream, in case you can't get the natural tube cream, you can substitute this with your fashion fair tube. In case you can't get this fashion fair tube as well, you can substitute it with kojic acid tube. Yes, these are fast action tube that will help you get rid of this dark spots. The next thing you'll be needing is your skin free milk. Yes, I know this is actually a strong whitening milk. Yes, I will tell you how to mix it so you don't mix it the wrong way and start getting the wrong results. So the next thing you need is your skin free milk, and you also need your grapeseed oil, you need vitamin E oil, and the last thing you need is your miracle powder. Yeah, how to mix this is you need one of Carotone spots corrector cream. That's your base. You need just 1 tablespoon of your natural tube cream. Yeah, you don't want to use all the tube cream. You need just 1 tablespoon of your natural tube cream. You need 1 teaspoon of your skin free milk. You need 1 teaspoon of your grapeseed oil. This grapeseed oil is going to serve as a moisturizer. It's going to help you moisturize that area. And you also need your vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is also a oil you can use to repair a damaged skin. You need just, if you're using the capsule, you need just 2 capsules of vitamin E oil. But if you have the raw organic one, you need just half teaspoon of your vitamin E oil. And the last thing, you need a pinch of your miracle powder. Mix all these together, mix it very well together, and use this product only at night. This is a product you don't want to abuse. Honestly, this is a very effective. Within 5 days of using this product, I'm serious, I'm honest with you, you will come back to come and say thank you, because this product is a sharp sunburn cleanser. You want to use this product with caution. You don't want to use it in the day and walk into the sun again. You don't want to add more problem to the already damaged face, already dark face. You want to use this product only at night, and make sure to use your sunscreen when you're going out in the morning. Even after treating, the thing about this is, even after treating this face, if you still go into the sun in the day without sunscreen, you're still going to end up having your sunburn. So whenever you finish treating sunburn, always try to go into the sun or go out with sunscreen. Even if you don't have sunburn, I wouldn't advise anybody to go out without your sunscreen. Sunscreen should be like an habit. It should be something you do all the time, not something you do because you have sunburn. Always use your sunburn, and with this simple recipe, honestly, you will come back to say thank you. And this is all on how to make your own sunburn cream. If you have gotten a value from this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified each time I drop a new video. On this channel, like I said, I film about skincare, body enhancement products, supplement reviews, and all that. This is basically all about today's video. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye, peace out.